everyone, so today's recipe is going to be some saltfish fritters. It's also known as saltfish Accra. This is a favorite treat in the Caribbean. It's delicious and it's quick and easy to make. To flavor these fritters, I have some finely chopped scallion, some pimento peppers, onion, and a bit of scotch bonnet pepper. Also have some saltfish or codfish that was boiled and minced into small pieces. So now to a bowl, I'm going to add about 2 cups of flour along with all the other prep ingredients. And these seasoning not only give these fritters great flavor, but a beautiful array of colors. And the scotch bonnet pepper give it a slight spice, making it so delicious. Also to this, I'm going to add some salt and black pepper to taste, and nothing else is needed apart from some water. Try not to pour all the water at once. You don't want your batter to be too runny. And I'm using 2 cups of flour to about 1.5 cups of water. And I'm going to mix this until it's nicely combined. And this is the texture you're looking for. You don't want it to be too runny or too thick. And when the batter tends to be too runny, it soaks up a bit more oil when frying. So this is just perfect. Now to a pot over medium to high heat, I'm going to add some cooking oil and I'm going to allow that to heat up a bit. Now in with small spoonfuls of fritter batter, or you could just make them whichever size you like. Just going to pull these apart so they wouldn't stick together when frying, and I'm going to allow these to fry on each side for a few minutes or until they are nice and golden. After a few minutes of frying, and these are perfectly done, I'm just going to remove them to drain the excess oil and just continue with another batch. There you have it, guys. Saltfish fritters or saltfish Accra. These are flavorful and crunchy, not soggy or oil soak. These are just the way I like them. Thank you so very much for watching.